Hello friends, it's Vijay Prativadi. Welcome to this .NET version for GrandTotal footer view of the GridView application. We'll be working extensively on the Visual Studio 2010 with the new controls. We'll be creating some new database with the limited understandability. What I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new project in the Visual Studio 2010 in the C# coding language. What I'll be doing is I'll be categorizing my videos into different subparts such that it will be easy to understand, reduce the complexity. Firstly, the overview of this session. Next comes the creation of database, and next comes the creation of new project with some grid view and templated fields. Finally, we'll build up the code and deploy. My next upcoming sessions include working out on MVC sessions. In the meanwhile, if you got any suggestions or any feedback, please get back to my email ID. This is prativadi@hotmail.co.uk. Thanks, and follow my blog for advanced .NET concepts at vijayprativadi.blogspot.com. So I think it's time for us to start the session. So before that, I've just created a database with the 4 columns in it, and the table name is total. The database is GrandTotal. Table name is total with some 4 columns in it, like this: ID, name, and amount. What the fields I've given in the columns are just as follows. So Vijay Prativadi, Krishna Kishore, Rahul Satali, Surya Raghavendra, Chandra Mohan. I've just specified these fields and just want to add up this in the footer view of the grid view. So let's see how we're gonna do that. So let's fire up 2010 Visual Studio and file a new project. Okay, cool. That's our web application. So what we're gonna name it as GridView footer application. Just click on OK. Okay, cool. We got to delete these things. I don't need that. I need a normal web form. I didn't name web form in the master page. Just click on OK. Okay, cool. Let's take a center tag. Center. Just drag and drop a grid view. Okay, cool. What you wanna specify here is data key names. Data key names is ID. Data source ID. We are waiting for that. Auto generate column should be false. What else? Footer text. Show footer should be true because we are working out in the footer representation, so footer should be true. So grid line should be horizontal. Cell padding just give around like 3. Page size should be like a 5. Okay, page size should be 5, and okay, allow paging should be true. Oops. True. Okay, what we looking after then is like we add some templated fields to that. So columns, what you do here is like ASP bound field data file is IT header HEADRTXT header text is IT. Insert invisible should be true or false. Insert invisible should be false property. Okay, OBS should read only true, and what you got to do is like sort expression by ID. Cool. That's pretty much for what we're looking at. So we're gonna go to the other bound field now. Bound field, data field, name, header text, name, sort expressions by name, read only true. Okay, insert invisible true false. Okay, what else we need? No, we need something like a just below this thing we need a footer text to this column. So all we're gonna do is like just add something like total. Cool, that's pretty simple. Okay, that's all for now. So what you're gonna do next is like add a templated field. Add a templated field, and what you do is like header text should be like a something amount. What you got to do is like an item, take an item template. What you do here is drag and drop a label. Yeah, cool. Okay, what you do in the text is just find the amount ID column from the database, read the forward stream of the data from the database. Okay, eval amount. Okay, cool. Dot to string it should return string value, so we are looking after that. So that's pretty much. So what we're gonna do next is, after the item template, just add another template, which is the footer template. Okay, yeah, that's the one. What you do here is like check another label. What you do is like in the first label rename it as a label amount, LBL MOUNT, and secondly label total, LBL total. Okay, cool. That's pretty much. So what you do next is just take a data source, SQL data source. Yeah, cool. Okay, what you do here is Let's go to the design mode. You see already the paging has been done, and page size is 5 columns for each page, so it's been displayed 5 columns for each page. That's pretty much delivered what we expected. So the connection string should be it's a GrandTotal. Yeah, the table name, the GrandTotal database, and save the connection string. Yes. What you do next is just wait for the prompt. We need a it's all up to the user define, so we need a ID, name and amount. The database name is table name is table. Just go to the test query executed, finish. Just go to the ID, just copy the source ID. What you do is like just reformat the grid view where data source ID has been empty. So okay, cool, that's pretty much. So we'll be looking around .cs file in the next part of the video. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.